use the AccuVein AV500, remove it from the charging cradle or stand. To turn the vane light on, press the purple button found on the left side of the device. To turn off the device, press the button again. Once the device is on, make sure that it is sufficiently charged. The battery power level indicator should display at least 1 bar in the middle of the screen. Hold the device 6 to 10 inches or 15 to 25 centimeters from the skin. Once a vane is selected, make sure the vane display light is directly above the vane's center line. You can often enhance display quality by slightly adjusting the height and angle to the skin or adjusting the brightness setting.
It might look the same, but we've improved Australia's most popular retractable hose reel. With smooth and durable retraction, it's great for any sized garden. Available at Bunnings Warehouse.